how to make your Instagram account private. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to access your content to only your friends and followers that you approve on Instagram by switching to private account? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your Instagram app. Go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Go to the three lines in the top right. And then there scroll down and tap on account privacy. Now you can see private account option. You just need to tap on it and toggle it on. So tap on switch to private. So now only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos, and you'll get follow request and you need to accept. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.